Dear friends, this is Srinivasan, who is having more than 40 years experience in this construction industry, trying to present a small presentation on surface defects in concrete and how to prevent the same. It's a civil conclave type of surface defects. Honeycomb. See, this is the image of a honeycomb in the concrete. Honeycomb is a state of sporadic voids because of a disappointment of the motor to successfully occupy the space between coarse total particle, that means aggregate particles, where concreting of the aggregate particles or solidness of the blend is a reason for honeycomb. Vibration may help with beating the crossing over by expanding the flowability of the concrete. Components that may add to honeycombing are clogged fortification, lagging glue content, ill-advised sand aggregates proportion, inappropriate putting procedures, snappy settings of a hot cement, and troublesome development condition. Changes in blend, that is a concreting, to improve the functionality. Bug holes, air surface voids. This is the image of the bug holes. Bug holes on vertical counterness are typically brought about via air bubbles. However, sporadically by water ensnared between the solid mass and the structure, particularly in a clunky and a hardened solid combination of low usefulness, which may have inordinate sand as well entangled air content. Likewise, the utilization of the vibrators of too enormous and adequacy of the absence of complete addition on the vibrator head may bring about expanded air void arrangements. Air voids differ in size from minuscule to around 1 inch, that is 25 mm. Seldom will water make bug holes on framed surfaces. Overburdened water typically shows itself in other textural deformities, for example, draining channels or sand streaks on vertical slope surfaces. Drain voids can shape it up at the highest point of a segment on a battered framed surface. Form streaking. This is the image of the form streaking. Form streaking is caused by motor leaking through form joints and may aggravated by over vibration that are too powerful or by using forms that vibrate excessively during consolidation. Placing excessively wet or high slump concrete mixers will result in more motor washing out through the holes and lost fitting forms. Special care is sometimes required when superplasticizer are used, as they tend to increase leakages at form joints and in pump lines. Aggregate transparency. This is the image of the aggregate transparency. Aggregate transparency is a condition characterized by molted coloring on the surface which result from deficiencies in the motor. It may result when concrete mixers have low sand content, dry or porous aggregates, or a high slump with a lightweight and normal weight aggregates. Also, high density or a glossy form surfaces may cause aggregate transparency. Subsidence cracking. This is the image of the subsidence cracking. Subsidence breaking results from the advancement of strain when the solid settles after our close introductory set. The breaks are caused in light of the fact that the upper solid extension between the structures while the lower solid settles. These breaks may happen when there is a deficient stretch between arrangements of cement in segments and situation of cement for pieces of a bars. They may likewise happen contiguous square outs or over fortifying bars with shallow covers. To forestall subsidence breaking, the solid can be revibrated. I mean, the concreting can be revibrated. Revibration is the best when done at the most recent time at which the vibrator head will infiltrate the solid under its own weight. Subsidence breaking or fortifying bars can be constrained by expanding solid cover during the plant stage and by utilizing all around merged low drop concrete. Color variation. This is the image of the color variation. Shading variety may happen inside an arrangement if the solid, that is the concreting, is uniform or it is not entirely blended. Vibrators embedded excessively near the structure pulverize the delivery specialist or blemish the structure surface. Outer vibration utilized aimlessly may likewise cause shading variety. Besides, shading varieties may result from non-uniform ingestion and additionally non-uniform utilization of the delivery specialist. Sand streaking. This is the image of a sand streaking. Sand streaking is a dash of uncovered fine aggregates in the outside of the shaped cement, brought out by substantial seeping along the structure. It must of the time results from the utilization of a brutal wet concrete mixes, especially those insufficient in zero point 0.3 to 0.15 mm and more modest sizes. Sand streaking is constrained by utilization of a tight concrete. Structures and appropriate combination proportioning, utilizing all around reviewed fineness of limit dyeing, despite the fact that the qualities of the Portland concreting and pozzolanas, wherever utilized, some effect on dyeing. Layer lines. This is the layer lines images. Layer lines are dark horizontal lines on formed surfaces, which indicates the boundary between concrete placement. Layer lines are caused by stiffening or insufficient consolidation of the lower level due to lack of penetration of the vibrator into the lower level. Form offsets. Here you can see the form offsets images. Form offsets are usually caused by inadequate stiffness or anchorage of the forms and can be aggravated by too high rate of a placement and are using a too powerful vibrator. Coal joints. Coal joints frequently occur in concrete for many reasons. Coal joints can often be accident by contingency planning, backup equipment, working to keep the concreting surface alive, and working to vibrate into lower limits. This is the image of the coal joints. Minimizing surface effects. To minimize the size and the number of bug holes and other defects arising out of the consolidation, the following practices should be followed. Vibration period be sufficient duration. Vibrator insertion should be properly spaced and overlapped and the vibrator removed slowly. Each concrete layer should be consolidated from the bottom. Upward vibration periods should be increased when using impermeable forms. Inward sloping forms and other complex designs detail should be avoided. Depth of placement layer should be limited. Vibrators should penetrate into the previous layer. Tightening devices and gaskets or prevent leakages at form joint should be provided as necessary. Placing port should be designed into the forms as necessary. Concealing assortment may occur inside a course of action if the strong isn't uniform or isn't altogether mixed. Vibrators implanted unnecessarily close to the structure pommel, the conveyance pro or a flaw the structure's surface. External vibration used erratically may similarly cause concealing assortment. Also, concealing assortment may result from non-uniform ingestions and moreover non-uniform usage of the conveyance's probe. Sand streaking. Sand streaking is a scramble of revealed fine complete in the outside of the formed concreting achieved by a significant leaking along the structure. It is significant part of the time results from the use of the merciless wet mixers, particularly those deficient in zero point 0.3 to 0.15 mm and more humble sizes. Stank streaking is completed by the usage of tight structure and a suitable mix proportioning. In areas where voids are most prevalent, revibration may be used to reduce the goals. Revibration is more effective if it is done at the latest possible time at which the vibrator head will penetrate the concrete under its own weight. Greater benefits are obtained with water concreting mixture, especially in the top few feet of a placement where air and water voids are most prevalent. Other measures such as altering mix proportion, using superplacers, and using a smaller maximum aggregate sizes to improve workability should also be considered as methods of minimizing surface effects. These measures have often been successful, particularly when trying to consolidate concrete in a congested areas. Honeycomb. Description: stony surface with air voids. Design of a member: highly congested reinforcement, narrow section. Configuration: internal reinforcement spaces. Forms: leaking at joint, severe grout loss. Construction condition: high temperature, wind reinforcement, too close to form accessibility. Properties of fresh concreting: insufficient fines, low workability, yearly suffering, excessively mixing, too large an aggregate for placing condition. Placement: excessive refall, excessive travel of concreting in forms, too high a lift, drop chute omitted or insufficient length, too small to terminate subjugation. Vibrator is too small. Okay. Name: air surface void, small individual hole, irregular, ranging up to 25 mm. Design member: battered or interfering construction. Forms: form face imperable, poor wetting characteristic. Formwork too flexible. Use of improper form release agent. Construction condition: excessive releases agent, high temperature. Properties of fresh concreting: low FM sand, lean sand with a high FM, low workability, excessive cement, Poisson of particle degradation, excessive sand, high air content. Placement: too slow caused by inadequate pumping rate, undersized packet. Consolidated. Form sticky. Sand or gravel textured areas lacking cement, usually associated with a dark color or adjacent surface. Forms: leaking at joints, tie holes, etc. Properties of fresh concrete: excess water or high slump. Consolidation: excess amplified frequencies. Cold joint. Description: unintended discontinuity of colored concreting. Design member: internal interferences. Construction condition: poor planning of insufficient backup. Aggregate transparency: dark or light areas of smaller size and shape to that of the coarse aggregate method. Forms: too flexible, high density surface finish. Properties of fresh concreting: low sand content, gave graded aggregate, dry or porous, excessive porous aggregate, excessive slump with lightweight concreting. Consolidation: excessive or external vibration, over vibration. Subsidence cracking: short cracks varying in width, more often horizontal than vertical. Design of member: interference to access. Forms: poor thermal insulation, irregular shape. Construction condition: insufficient interval between top out of columns and placement of a slab. Properties of fresh concreting: low cement, low sand and high water content. Placement: too rapid. Consolidation: insufficient vibration. Sand streaking: vibration in color shade due to separation of fine particle caused by bleeding parallel to the form surface. Forms: low absorbency. Construction condition: low temperature. Properties of fresh concreting: lean mixture, over sanded. Placement: too rapid for a type of a mixes. Consolidation: excessive vibration, excessive amplitude, over manipulation. Form of abrupt or a gradual surface irregularities. Forms: inadequate stiffness or anchorage. Construction condition: nil. Properties of fresh concreting: excessive retardation of mixes. Placement: rate too high. Consolidation: excessive amplitude, non-uniformation in spacing of injection. Special concrete: concrete utilized for aluminum formwork and tunnel structure should be planned, thinking about the accompanying to keep away from surface imperfections to get a structure finish. The solid blend ought to be somewhat over sanded and strong. The solid blend means the concrete. An arrangement ought to have drop of 150 mm to 200 mm, like a Tremi concrete. The most extreme size of the total might be, that is mean aggregate, to be 12.5 or 10 mm, thinking about the fortification, electrical courses and electrical boxes and different box out gauge. The solid ought to achieve the necessary quality, that is 15 neutron per mm square at 36 hours for Mayon former and 8 to 10 neutron per mm square following 18 hours for a burrow structures. The shapes used to check the structure evacuation quality will be relieved alongside structure and tried as indicated time. At the point when self-concreting compacting concreting is utilized, the solid will have a progression of 600 mm to 700 mm stream at a position. Solid position will be started from pouring in dividers completed alongside pieces covering room by room. At the point when cement is put into dividers, the structure work will have to be avoided with wooden hammers to guarantee air expulsion from the surfaces. Updance malleting to be dodged after a full situation in dividers whenever proceeded with a full prompt arrangement of mellow hole among structures and concrete and will capture drain water and lead to bug openings. While sitting in dividers having windows, electrical boxes solid should be put from the one side, guaranteeing the concreting put stream to the opposite side and get lifted up by passing boxes or patterns. Both side arrangement prompt air assessment. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. All images courtesy is Google. Contact me, civilconclave at gmail.com or at my telegram groups, Ask Srini telegram groups. The link is as follows. Kindly subscribe, like and share so that I can give you further more good presentation. Thank you for watching this presentation once again. Kindly subscribe.